The DoorDash driver application process has significantly improved in 2025. What once took 2 to 3 weeks in previous years now typically takes just 3 to 10 business days. The application process consists of four main stages. Let me walk you through each stage and how long it typically takes. Stage 1 is the initial application submission. This takes just 10 to 15 minutes to complete online. You'll provide basic personal information and upload required documents. Stage 2 is the background check, which takes 3 to 7 business days. This is typically the longest part of the entire process and involves comprehensive screening. Stage 3 is document verification, taking 1 to 2 business days. DoorDash reviews your driver's license, insurance, and vehicle registration during this phase. The final stage is approval, which happens the same day to within 24 hours after your background check is completed. Once approved, you can start delivering immediately. Keep in mind that timing can vary by market. Oversaturated markets may take up to 14 days for approval, while rural and suburban areas often see much faster processing, sometimes within just 24 to 48 hours. Here are proven strategies to accelerate your DoorDash application approval and get you driving faster. First, prepare high-quality photos of all required documents. This is the most critical step that can save you days of processing time. Take clear, well-lit photos with all text readable. Ensure your documents are current and not expiring soon. Most importantly, verify that names and addresses match exactly across all documents. Second, optimize your background check by providing complete information up front. Provide your complete 7-year address history and include any previous names or aliases. This prevents delays from incomplete information and helps the background check process smoothly. Third, timing matters significantly for faster processing. Apply Tuesday through Thursday for fastest processing. Avoid peak periods like back-to-school season and holidays when application volumes are highest. Finally, consider your market location strategically. High-demand, underserved markets process applications 40% faster than saturated urban areas. Rural and suburban markets typically see approvals within 2 to 4 days. Following these strategies can reduce your DoorDash application time from weeks to just a few days, getting you on the road and earning faster.